Hey guys, welcome back to Crafted by Kids. Today we're going to be making a Barbie sock dress. These are what we're going to be making today. The materials you'll need are an old sock and some scissors. First, you're going to take an old sock, maybe that has a hole in it or that you don't want anymore, and you're going to cut off the heel and toe. Make sure it fits the Barbie first before you cut it off. It's also good to use a small sock because that'll work better. Next, you're going to cut 2 small slits in the sides near the top of the sock, which are going to be the armholes. Now you can put it on your doll. You can also use different socks with different designs on them to give it a different look. For this sock, I had a llama on it, so the dress has a llama on it. With the collar on this one, I scrunched it down so it wouldn't be as high, and then I glued it down to make sure that it would stay. If you want, you can also cut a design out of felt. I made a heart and just glue it onto the dress. Especially if you have 2 of the same socks, you can glue different designs or different colors to make them different. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and don't forget to like and share this video. Bye!